the key issues we need to solve to be able to bring 3D printing into manufacturing.
My name is James Hedrick. I'm one of the co-founders and currently Chief Product Officer at Azul 3D. We're currently at our manufacturing headquarters in Skokie, Illinois. I'm a huge music fan, and one of the fun things about having a 3D printing company is you can take ideas that you have and go from concept to reality. So we have a 3D printed guitar body that was actually used and played in concert about a little over 2 months ago. I love, listening to music, but also playing music in my free time. That's the great way for me to just be able to unwind. Heat is a real problem with 3D printing. If you don't control it, you don't make consistent parts. And what was special is that we hooked up our cooling system with it, and that together gives you a production throughput unparalleled to anything else that I've been seen before.
They're working with the FDA to help fast track the approval process. They want to get this to hospitals as soon as possible.
And we use UV optics, which gives you this blue light that comes out. So that's where the name of Azul comes from. Again, thinking about that blue, thinking about that vastness. You start with the lake printer. We're going to go to bigger and bigger bodies of water, so the sea, the ocean, this whole concept of can we go larger than you can see with your own eyes. So when you think about raising capital, there's a lot going on at once. When you're a startup of our size, we're not stopping our day job to raise capital, and so you just feel absolute chaos going on with it. So when we think about going through the venture capital community, going through a fundraising, everyone's coming in at different stages. It was when we were looking around for a data room that we needed, Ansarada came as one of the top recommended ones because of the ability for us to go through all the different stages. That when we're doing a small $10 million round to when we're going to become a unicorn down the road, we don't have to change platforms, but we have something that we can grow into and can grow with us. At every group that we're talking to wants and has different questions. And some groups go under NDA, some groups don't, so being able to quickly switch what everyone sees and not worry about accidentally showing the wrong things is something that's been critical to me. And so that's been a very helpful, simplified my life as we go through these raises and taking one less thing off the plate. I'm James Hedrick, and I'm a Pathfinder.